Enterprise tagging and filtering helps you better manage your team's workflow and your own workflow by marking sites with relevant information. To label a site, simply click the Add a Tag field and type out your desired tag, or select one from any available options that exist within your organization. You might want to input a tag related to the site's content, ownership, or completion status. Once you enter it, it will show up for all team members in your organization. Clicking the eye icon allows you to toggle between hiding and viewing all site tags. You can also filter sites according to tags so that only sites relevant to you appear in your dashboard view. Under Manage Tags, admins can create tags of their choosing that all team members can access and select from when labeling sites. Admins can also delete tags no longer needed. Improve focus and increase efficiency in your team's site management with enterprise tagging and filtering. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.